Olid Harper, my loyal subject, your wine has taken Europe by storm, and the money you've donated has greatly supported my army. In honor of your loyal service, I hereby grant the Harper family the title of Count. And Mrs. Harper shall be known as the Lady of Merlot. You will also receive the Crimson Pledge.
Thank you, Your Majesty. On behalf of the House of Harper, I swear to honor this title and the crown.
Charlotte really hit the jackpot. Married some no-name vineyard guy. And now she's dripping in titles and jewels. Didn't she have a younger sister, Sophia, France?
Hey, you broke that! Stop right there!
Isn't that Sophia, Edward Warren's wife?
Her husband spends most of his time whoring, before he died in battle. Oh geez, look at her. Like some crazy witch thrown out of town.
You smug little bitch! Hooked up with some lucky jerk, and now you think you've won? You stole everything from me! I'm gonna kill you!
Am I still alive?
Stop staring like a fool, Charlotte. What? Think you're too good to be Harper's wife? Has your mother never taught you to show gratitude? Oh, right, I forgot. She died when you were a toddler. Put them on.
Wait, this is the engagement day? 5 years ago. Is this like a second chance?
Sophia's the pride of the house. She's meant for Lord Edward. Sophia, put on the gloves Lord Edward sent.
No, I don't want to marry Lord Edward. James is mine.
Seems like she's also given a second chance.
Oh, you foolish girl, are you insane? Your father's a fallen baron. If it weren't for your grandfather's old ties with the Warren family, you'd never have a shot with Edward.
Ugh, Mother, come with me. It may sound crazy, but trust me, I'm not insane. I died, Mother, but somehow I was sent back. God has given me another chance to change everything. Hear me out.
Oh my, if that's true, then you must swap with her.
But if I suddenly give her the Marquis's son, would she be suspicious?
Exactly. It won't be easy to convince her.
I'll do it.
Oh, I mean, no offense, miss. Why would she ever want to swap with you? Something's off. Why did you say yes to that?
Sophia thought James succeeded all on his own. Without me, let's see how far they get this time. Edward Warren. So you're the man I'm marrying in this life.
Gentlemen, lances are the pride of our warriors. Win or lose, you must strike. Whoever wins today shall receive this golden lance.
As your Majesty commands.
Then I suppose that lance already belongs to Edward.
We haven't even started yet, Stephen. Given up already?
Your Majesty, the boy needs a proper lesson, and I shall give it to him.
Look at his horse. Can't even gallop.
He's definitely going to lose to Edward.
It's coming right at us! Hurry!
Ah!
Edward!
Your Majesty, forgive me. I failed to strike him. I broke the rule.
But you saved my life. Come to my castle tonight for a wild boar feast.
Forgive me, Your Majesty. I've got other matters to handle.
Your Majesty, since I won, may I accept the golden...
Ah, our champion. What did you win again? Best supporting statue?
You're so generous, my lord. But you didn't get anything out of me.
Well, you just take care of yourself.
My lord, you're engaged. If word gets out, it will ruin your reputation.
That's why it was you who gave it to her.
Wait, what?
I'm going to tell Amelia.
She'll be so happy for you. Stealing your master's money for medicine. You might as well just kill her.
Oh, please. So she dies, then what? Everyone here walks all over her.
I have sent for Lady Charlotte. Save your talk for her.
Her? What is she going to do? Now she's even married off to some broke farmer. Once she's gone, this sick little wretch won't last a week. You hit me. I'm Lady Diana's personal maid.
And I'm the future Marchioness. I can slap any rat who insults my family.
What? It's supposed to be Lady Sophia. It's impossible.
You're finished. And don't bother looking for work. No one in this town will dare take you in. Throw her out.
No, wait, please, Lady Charlotte. Give me a chance. Please, Lady Charlotte. Just give me a chance. Lady Charlotte, I'm begging you.
Spread the words. Mess with Amelia is messing with me.
Yes, my lady.
Charlotte? You're marrying into the Warren family? What's going on?
Millie, my girl. Finally, I'm not late this time. I spent too much time climbing up, and when I finally made it, your sickness had already taken you away from me this time. I won't let that happen again.
How dare you kick my mother's maid out?
That's what she deserves for stealing from Amelia. If you got a problem with that, we can take it to Father.
Oh, my poor sister. You truly believe marrying Edward Warren will make you an esteemed madam. He is a well-known playboy. Prepare to share your husband with all the loose wenches in town.
Now they will spread the rumors for me.
You gave money to a prostitute. The whole town's buzzing with it. You've got a lot of nerve to come back here. The Marquis will kill you.
But I gotta eat. I missed the beef stew.
You brat!
Father, if you do that again, I won't hold back.
You disgrace this house! Throwing money at some tramp like it's nothing! Everyone's talking about it! Forget about inheriting anything! From now on, you're no longer my son!
Father, please don't.
Forgive me, my lord, but the girl's father saved Lord Edward's life. He was just repaying them, nothing more.
Calm down, my lord. Edward can be a hothead sometimes. He would never want to embarrass the family.
He's a grown man! And he still doesn't care about his reputation. Tell me, who would marry him?
Of course I would marry him. But I don't get it. He's got such a bad reputation. Why him? That's exactly why. It's an advantage to me. Are my eyes red enough?
Like you've been crying all day.
Perfect. Let the show begin.
Enough with the tears. Where are your manners?
Father! I'd rather hang myself than marry some rake who rolls in the dirt with whores. Who knows what he's carrying?
You think this is up to you? The engagement gift has already been accepted. One of you must marry into the Warren family.
But it was supposed to be Sophia. Mother, this isn't fair. You can't just throw me into a nightmare like that. If Father allows it, I shall stay as a maiden forever and devote the rest of my life taking care of Amelia and you two.
Oh, don't worry about Amelia. I'll get Dr. Clarkson and 2 more maids for her.
In that tiny room? Where are you going to put them in the closet?
Have you forgotten my room, sister? Once I'm married, it's all hers.
This is a small town. If Lord Edward asks around, he will soon find out about my status in the family. Imagine how he would treat me.
Nonsense. I will double your dowry. Land, treasure, paintings. Take whatever you want. I will assign a couple of squires to protect you. They won't dare mistreat you. Herald, bring out the ruby crown, the one Princess Mary brought on her tour in France.
But that was promised to Sophia. It's her wedding piece.
Yes, Father, she doesn't deserve it.
If you want to keep it so badly, be the bride. Your grandmother paid a fortune for it. It's yours now.
As a firstborn daughter of this house, I will put the family's interest before my own will. And I'm doing this for you, Father.
That's my girl. My sweet girl.
Grandmother said she was coming. Any idea why?
Probably about the Hartwells breaking off the engagement.
Lady Margaret has arrived.
By the grace of God, someone, I mean Charlotte Hartwell, the eldest daughter of the Hartwells.
Does she not care about the scandals? Charlotte, what do you want?
The girl is marrying Edward despite all the scandals. We must compensate her. She will have the finest wedding, with the best jewellery in the world. Our engagement gift must be hefty too.
Mother is right.
If you'll excuse me. Get me a servant's outfit. I need to check out this Miss Charlotte myself.
Mr. James Harper has arrived.
My Lady Baroness, I've come to finalize the engagement.
Is that a basket of grapes?
Fresh picked this morning.
Mr. Harper presents a basket of grapes freshly kissed by bird droppings.
The ring, though, it was handcrafted.
And one handcrafted tin ring braided with foxtails.
God.
My maid has a better ring than that.
Mother, he'll be a wealthy merchant someday. And even an earl. And when that day comes, they'll all be jealous of me.
Visitors from House of Warren.
Look at that. They don't need to wait for someday.
Is that an emerald? I've never seen one. Lord Edward fought across half the world. The wealth of their family is nothing a silly girl like you can imagine. Of course you have never seen one.
You've traveled a long way. Take a rest here and make yourself comfortable.
Miss Charlotte, you're finally here!
That's her. Charlotte Hartwell.
Oh, come see this. These jewels shine so bright that I can't open my eyes.
What that farmer brought isn't even worth as much as these jewelry boxes.
Yeah, Miss Sophia must be kicking herself right now.
Since when a maid gets to tell her master how to feel?
It was your own decision. Don't take it out on the maids. If you're that jealous, we could always swap again.
Oh, please. James may be poor, but he gave me everything he had. You will never get it with Edward.
Get what? That basket of grapes? Even your fat-ass mother could fetch that in 3 minutes.
Let's see what gift you got. How could it be this much? It's not like this in last life. Nothing special, really.
Put it in.
But I guess it's fancy for someone who's never seen better. But for the Warren house, it's nothing. Clearly just tossing leftovers at you. Who wants this trash anyway?
Mind your tongue.
You're just a servant. Who gives you the right to bark here?
This is a gift from His Majesty to Lord Edward. A ring with the royal emblem and the king's name on it.
Wait, why would Lord Edward give it away?
Because Lady Charlotte is gracious and worthy of the crown's favour. And you, tossing around a royal gift like trash? That's not just rude, it's a slap in the king's face.
I'm sure she doesn't mean it.
You disgraceful brat! Go to the chapel and repent. Don't come out until morning.
She insulted the crown, and the punishment is merely spending a night in the chapel. And I always thought the House of Hartwell puts their loyalty to the kings first.
No, she stays there until the day she's married off.
A fair measure indeed. Lord Edward and I have always trusted your loyalty to our king.
Mother! I can't stand there that long!
What do you expect me to do? Just listen to your father.
If you'll excuse me, my lady.
Wait, please. Thank you for helping me back there, Lord Edward.
How did you find out I am Edward?
The ring. Only Lord Edward himself would carry it. And he kept checking your cues. You're clearly Edward Warren. Impressive.
Then I assume you've also guessed why I came in disguise.
To find out why I agreed to marry a man drowning in scandal.
Well, I have my answer now. A biased father, a spiteful stepmother, and a sister who'd stab you in the back. Life here isn't kind to you. But what makes you think it'll be any better in my house?
I don't. But I'll find out soon. And even if it's hell, who's to say I won't fight my way through?
Interesting.
This is too precious. I can't take it.
I don't take back what I've given. See you at the wedding.
Mother! Water! My throat's on fire!
That bitch Charlotte! How dare she do this to you? I'll make sure she messes up her wedding. She'll piss off the Warren house before she sets foot inside. Charlie, it's time. Lord Edward's waiting at the church.
Wait, it's locked. Hey! Open up! Somebody open the door!
Don't bother. I was told to keep this door shut tight. Not even a mouse gets out of this room today.
Perfect. If Lord Edward gets tired of waiting, you're done. Good luck talking your way out of that.
What do we do? If we mess up the wedding, Mr. Hartwell will skin us alive.
My lady, what are you doing?